One,
welcome back to our channel, the Antonias. Why it's not
hi
there?
guys! Today
Mommy, why
it's
not talking?
today is
Daddy's birthday.
Daddy's birthday! Where are we
We're
going?
going to Daddy's birthday.
We're going to celebrate Daddy's birthday on the Alice by Vikings in Cloverleaf. Let's go!
Let's go.
Like this. Close it. Ang galing ni Nini ah.
Turn right on Mindanao Avenue.
Ay, copying nyo lang. Because I don't know that dance, that song.
It's like this.
Reservation 6 on the Rica.
And guys, quick tour lang. Meron sila dito. Oh, happy birthday daw.
Happy birthday. May nag-iisa doon. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Meron dito yung mga Japanese section. Tapos, meron nga sila yung New York mga pizza. Meron din silang Korean section. Meron ding kegs, yung cocktails and alcoholic drinks. Meron din silang Filipino cuisine. May dessert, sundae, ice cream. Tapos, Nords yung pangalan coffee bar. So, nandun yung part ng cakes. Tsaka, yung kape. Grabe yung kape. Tignan nyo, napakatapang yan, guys. Kaya kayong ipagtanggol niyan. Ano pa ba? Salad bar. Meron din. Tapos may bibingka. Tinry nila mamayol kanina. May ramen din. Saan? Oh, may ramen din daw. Mamaya itatry ko yun. Yun itatry ko. Tapos yung soda nila dito, guys. Wait. Ito guys, panalo tong soda na to. Cream soda. Zero sugar. Sarap. So yun, madami naman. Sulit naman for the price, I guess. Kasi doon pa lang sa steak kanina yung beef, panalo na talaga. First time ako nag-try ng ganun eh. Malaki din yung place, pero sabi ni Rika, based on her experience daw, yung Vikings kasi na kinainan nila sa SM Marikina, doble daw nito yung size.
A few moments later.
Chocolate fountain. Wala naman chocolate fountain.
But look at this, oh.
Yeah, it's so colorful. And look,
Oh.
there's some mallows here. What color? No, the ice cream muna. What ice cream do you want?
I want purple. I want purple.
The bubble gum na lang, anak.
Okay, I'll have bubble.
Bubble gum. Wow! Wow! Okay, and then let's wait lang. Yeah. And let's make your. You want some toppings? Which
I
one?
don't know. I want some
Which one do you like? Sprinkles. You want sprinkles? We will use our
Marble.
like this.
Wow.
Okay, what else?
Sprinkle.
Which one? This the colorful
Yeah.
one.
Wow.
Okay, what else? Gummy bear. Gummies.
Gummy bears. Yum, 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 yum. More gummy bears. Wow. And some green sprinkles.
Green sprinkles again? Okay, what else pa? How about this one? No? Okay na, all done.
What I want.
That's all what you want. Come on, let's go.
Mami, what are you getting, Mami? Japchae.
Para hindi ako mag-rice na. Dito tayo natin. Come on.
That roast beef, Mami. Roast beef. Oh, yummers.
First plate. Later again.
Tucky
Okay, ay, here pala.
sandwiches.
Siyempre, yung pinakamahal agad. Roast beef una. Ano, Mama Yol?
Sarap ng beef.
Let's try. Mm. Ang sarap, ang lambot. Ang lambot ng beef, no? Nika, what are you eating, Nika?
Pizza.
Pizza.
Yes, but I've got
Iwan nga natin to.
a good idea.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you.
Uy, ang lambot na, oh. Beef lang kay Mama, Daddy.
Saka yung pork loin din. Sinamahan ko lang ng konting baby
Ano kay Mama sauce? Pepper.
mushroom.
Time check. 5:50. Hanggang ano oras tayo dito, Daddy?
Hanggang 9.
Walang hihinto kumain, ah. Hindi magpahinga. Of course.
Guys, yung nakuha kong pork loin, medyo chewy. Hindi ko alam kung sa part to. Baka dulong part na to, nakuha ko. Hindi kasi. Happy birthday to you.
Sing, sing. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Daddy.
Yay!
No, you.
Let's go. 1, 2, 1! Yay!
Happy birthday, Daddy.
A few moments later.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
We love you, Daddy! Daddy, alam ko na yan. Naka-stroller naman siya, di ba? Dalit mo doon kasi.
Anong tawag dyan, sir? Blue Lagoon.
Cheers tayo na ngayon. Madami ba ngayon? Ano masarap yung may yelo? Lamit ko naman ito. Go! Cheers! Wow! Sarap! Try it!
Cheers! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy! Go straight! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Nice.
Cheers!
Here din, Daddy. Happy birthday!
Yummers!
I'm a little bit dizzy, jar. Sarap. Hindi na lang ulit akong nag-anak
Nice na din. Alam nyo ba guys, free dito si Banini.
Tapos si Daddy free.
Yeah.
Tapos,
Si Mama Yol may discount pa.
may senior pa kami.
Pakiramdam ko wala pang 2,000 yung ano.
So ako lang yung full.
Oh, nice. Dami din naming na-try, oh. Ayun, si Mama Yol nakapag-try ng Blue Lagoon. Tuwa, oo. Tignan mo, oo. Si Mami, na-miss mo minom. Nakadalawa.
Ngayon na lang uminom eh. The-drive ko doon.
Yeah. Mababa lang naman yung alcohol content nung Blue
Nailang
Lagoon.
shot ka? Isa lang?
Hindi, dalawa.
Nakadalawa ka din? Paano kung nakadalawa? Yung solo mo.
Kung nakainom kayo ng Tanduay Ice, parang mas light lang doon.
Mas like
Yung
ba?
blue.
Wala nga.
Yung Tanduay Ice medyo matapang ng konti.
Kasi yung Tanduay pag inom mo parang may guguhit pa. Ito wala namang guguhit sa
Tsaka mas
birthday,
mataas yung
Daddy.
alcohol content.
Happy
Thank you.
birthday.
Tignan mo yung anak namin. Wow!
Sabi niya kanina, Daddy, sabi ko, are you sleepy? But I don't know where I'm going to lay down. Ayan. Nahanap niya yung pwesto niya sa stroller. Yes,
How was
Daddy.
your experience?
Masarap yung alak, Char. Joke lang. Wala nagmukhang na. Hindi pa ako masyadong kumakain, di ba? Parang nakaisang ikot, pangalawa ko pa lang to, tas salad pa. Pero masarap yung beef nila. Roasted beef, ang lambot. Yung chapchae nila, yung pa lang namin nakakain ko eh. Tas more on dessert, yung mga nakukuha ni Banini. Masarap naman. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Mama yun, sulit ba? Mama yun?
Sulit. Very good. Very nice food.
Ayan, enjoy na enjoy si Mama yun eh. Tatakot kasi yan si Mama Yun kumain sa mga ganito kasi feeling niya hindi sulit yung ibabayad niya. O yan, na-enjoy niya naman.
Very good talaga dito. Maraming pagkain at saka masasarap. Sa mahalin mo lang makakainan, pero dito makakain mo yon, madami pa. Shot pa more.
Ayan, sige, later na guys, mag-second batch na kami.
And here's our bill.
Cheers! Dito, sa bagay. What are those, Nika?
Flowers for mom.
Flowers for mommy.
Mama, my hand is want to touch something. Let's take a picture with the roses. Wow, purple.
This one.
Mommy, look. Purple roses. Oh my goodness. Let's take a picture with this one, Mommy.
Okay, you're the one.
Let's take a picture with this.
I will hold your
I will take a picture with you, okay?
This one.
Where is it? Right there.
Pinicture niya pa yung bulak.
Where is mommy? Where is mommy? Where is this mommy? Is this mommy? La 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 la.
Sobrang dami, anak. Face ko, wala. Thank you.
Mommy, look.
Can you stand there? Stand there with Daddy.
Oh no, what happened?
Do.
Oh no, are you okay? Huh? Are you okay?
Yeah.
You're not smiling. Smile daw.
One more time. How about kiss si Daddy?
Kiss daddy.
Kiss Daddy.
Wow! Thank you.
Say hi, guys.
Hi,
We're going to
guys.
celebrate Daddy's birthday here.
We're going to celebrate Daddy's birthday here.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy birthday, Daddy.
We will go eat and eat and eat. Let's go. Yes.
Mom, can I have a laugh, please?
Okay, smile. I love you.
Bye.